Project name is MyMenu app and the group code is BEENTC03. In our group, we are 3 members, Omkar Gaukar, Vaishali Horti and Uma Malvekar. And I am Uma Malvekar presenting the presentation. We will see the slide-by-slide information of abstract, introduction, literature survey, methodology, commercial benefits, why our project is different from Swiggy and Zomato, and at the end features. Abstract slide have the information of how our project is useful for the restaurant by using the mobile phones. That is, our project is tries to build a user-friendly app that helps a user to order the food directly through the mobile phones in a restaurant with more detailed information on the screen. Introduction slide have the information of the use of database management system. By using these technologies, our product structure will be more preferable to customer and will also help hotel services to understand customer taste. Before decide this project, we did some literature survey. On the basis of this, we get some problem statement regarding hotels. First one, tedious method of ordering food. This one can explain as when the customer go to the hotels, sometimes search for the menu cards, and when not available on table, then ask for the hotel server. And after getting menu cards, sometimes not full information available on that. Only 2 points available, like name of the food and price. After selecting food, they call to the waiter and order the food. So this method goes tedious. Second one found as the lack of information to the customer while ordering food. And the third one, the lack of data for proper planning and execution. And the last one, waiting for hotels, no any kind of feedback from the customers are available. So to overcome this problem, we decided to do this project. Some methodology is used for the product as scan the QR code from the customer's mobile phone. After scanning the QR code, one connection gets established between server and customer. After that, on screen, menu card gets displayed. Menu card shows the name of food, rating, type, price, and sometimes what ingredients are available in the food. After ordering the food, this response is sent back to the server. Then from the server, one time period send it back on the user screen. For the hotel rating, there is a feedback page available and customer can end the session. This response received to the server and bill calculation process started. Next slide is why product is different from Swiggy and Zomato. Data shared by Swiggy and Zomato are based on the parcel order. Our products helps to store the data ordering to made by customer in the restaurant. So these points make different than Swiggy and Zomato. Some commercial benefits also available from our project. These are helps to store customer database and a hotel manager to smartly invest on raw materials. Feedback system will help to know customer taste. Besides that, it makes a restaurant more presentable and technological sound, which will attract a more customer. Some features are available for both, for customer as well as for the hotel manager. First, we discuss on features for the customer. No need to search for the menu cards if not present on table. Second one, can order sequentially, means when the customer order food, then they get some time period from the server. Within this time period, if the customer wants to order the another food, they can order this one also. So this is called as can order sequentially. Can monitor time required for order to deliver on table. Features for the hotel manager. This is with more presentable, will be displayed as per the specialty of the restaurant. No need of waiter to address. So by using feedback system, easy to understand, field for the improvement. So at the end, project objective is to enhance the customer experience and to help a hotel services to understand their customer and also help them to know their own field of improvement.
So basically idea is that when a customer visits a restaurant, instead of asking for menu card or searching menu card, he or she can directly scan the QR code that is placed on his or her table. Once he scans the QR code, the menu card of that respective restaurant will be displayed on his or her screen, from which he can place an order. And once the order is placed, it will be displayed on counter and the kitchen side. Hence, it will be served to the customer. So let's just have a look. This is an Android app that we tried to build for scanning purpose. So let's see. 1 second. Yeah. So by using this app, we're gonna scan the QR code, which will be placed on the restaurant table. So as we see, as I scan the QR code, it asks to visit the browser. So yeah, here I can open the QR code. I mean the menu card for that restaurant. Okay. So here we'll be placing some order. Let's place few things. And yes, so the order has been placed. So this is what we have ordered, and it tells how much we have to pay. So let's have a look here. Yeah, this is our server or counter or the kitchen side where the order are going to be displayed. So our last order was of rupees 240. Let's check, and yes, let us check it. So the order was 5 tea half, 5 coke, 5 tea full, 9 coffee. So let's say 5 tea half, 5 tea full, 5 coffee and 5 coke and 9 coffee, and the bill is 240.